Hello everyone. When is the best time to trade Forex? That will be determined by the Forex trading session. That will be determined by the location where you are and many other factors. The Forex market is unique among financial markets because it opens 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This around the clock availability is possible because Forex trading is global and decentralized, spanning multiple time zones as financial centers around open and close around the world throughout the day. Understanding the structure of Forex trading sessions and the best times to trade can help traders maximize opportunities and manage risk effectively. The major Forex trading sessions are as follows, and the Forex trading day is divided into 4 primary sessions based on the opening hours of major financial markets worldwide, and I'm going to explain them to you now. The first session is the Sydney session, and the Sydney session opens by 10 p.m. and closes by 7 a.m. Nigeria, West Africa, and GMT, 10 p.m. GMT, and it closes by 7 a.m. GMT. And the key financial centers are Sydney and Australia. It is characterized by the smallest session and has the lowest volatility. Then we also have the Tokyo session, also referred to as the Asian session. This opens by 12 a.m. GMT and closes by 9 a.m. GMT. And the key financial centers are Tokyo and Japan. They are active in JPY and Asian pairs. Then we also have the London session, also referred to as the European session. This opens from 8 a.m. GMT and closes by 5 p.m. GMT. And it is majorly for London and UK matters, pairs. And it is the most liquid and most volatile, and it trades major pairs. Then we also have the New York session, which is the American session. It opens by 1 p.m. GMT and closes by 10 p.m. GMT. And it covers New York, USA, Toronto, Canada. There's high volatility also. It overlaps with London session. Now, let me talk to you about the Sydney session. The Sydney session marks the start of the trading week. It is the smallest session with relatively low volatility and volume. Currency pairs most affected include AUD and USD, and NZD and USD, often moving within a 30 to 50 pip range. This session can present early week price gaps because it is caused by weekend news and is suitable for traders who prefer less volatile environments. Then we also have the Tokyo session, also referred to as the Asian session. This one overlaps partly with Sydney session, increasing liquidity. It is increasing liquidity. So during that overlap, liquidity increases. Tokyo is a major financial center, focusing on the Japanese yen and other Asian currencies. Commonly traded pairs include USD JPY, Euro JPY, and AUD JPY. Price movements during this session tend to be moderate, with ranges between 30 to 80 pips, which is more than the first session we looked at. This is good for traders focusing on Asian markets and looking for medium volatility. Now, the third session is the London or European session. London is the largest Forex trading center globally, and this session sees the highest volume and liquidity. The session overlaps with Tokyo in the morning and New York in the afternoon, amplifying the market activity. Major pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD CHF experience significant volatility with typical daily ranges of 50 to 100 pips. Price gaps are less frequent but can occur around European economic news releases. This session is regarded as the best time to trade Forex due to the combination of high liquidity and volatility. It is ideal for day traders and is also ideal for scalpers. Now, the fourth session, which is number 4, is the New York or the American session. This begins as London session is halfway done, creating one of the most volatile overlapping periods. The New York session benefits from deep liquidity and large trading volume. Remember, this is Dr. Olubenga Adetritun YouTube channel. If you want to support me by making a donation to me and to my channel, you just see below this video on YouTube, you see where it is put there as join. Click on it and you're going to see the steps you're going to follow to make a donation of $1 or $2 to help me. Because what I'm doing here is I'm teaching you how to trade. Most people collect trading fee from members of the public or people that they train. But I am not doing that. I am making this content for free. So if you want to support me so that I can be able to do more and be able to get data and many other things, you can do that. And I'm going to be glad you did. I'm going to mention your name. If you support me, I'll mention your name in my subsequent videos, and that is going to also increase your visibility. Now, during the American session or US session, frequently traded pairs include USD CAD, Euro USD, GBP USD. The movement of 40 to 110 pips are common. Economic releases from the US heavily impact this session. Ideal for traders who thrive on fast-paced trading environments and significant price swings. Now, importance of session overlap is what I want to talk about. When session overlap, US session overlapping the London session, Tokyo session overlapping this other session, the London session overlapping this other session. What is the importance? The most active and volatile periods in Forex usually occur during overlaps between sessions, especially London and New York overlap. That is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. GMT. Highest volume and volatility. Then it also occurs during Sydney Tokyo overlap, 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. GMT. Moderate activity. During this overlap, traders can expect tighter spreads, more trading opportunities, and larger price moves. Now, impact of daylight saving time, DST. Daylight saving time adjustments can temporarily shift session overlaps by 1 hour. Traders should be vigilant about these changes in March and October / November to adjust trading times and strategies accordingly. Now, when is the best time to trade Forex? The London and New York sessions provide the best trading opportunities due to high liquidity and volatility. Trading this session overlaps increases the chances of catching strong price movements. Traders with lower risk tolerance, or those seeking gradual price action may prefer the Sydney or Tokyo sessions. Then at the same time, avoid trading during weekend when the market is weekend close or open to minimize gaps and unpredictable price jumps. I'm going to summarize by telling you that understanding Forex trading sessions and optimizing trading activity during or around them is key to success in Forex trading. Trading during the most active hours helps traders access better liquidity, tighter spreads, and ample opportunities to profit from price movements. My name is Dr. Olubenga Adetritun. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. Many people have asked me to make videos to teach them how to trade Forex, and that is why I am on this journey in this series. I'm making 60 videos in a row, non-stop, daily, giving you different videos on how to trade Forex. Please make sure that you follow them from the starting point. I have a playlist talking about Forex, so go ahead and check them. Just watch all the videos in the playlist, and then you are going to be good to go. If you have any questions or comments, drop it in the comment section below. Please support me by sharing this video link, subscribing, joining my membership by paying a token, and I am going to reward you by also mentioning your name in my videos and sharing the link. And before I go, where are you watching from? drop the location where you are watching from in the comment section. Is it Lagos? Is it Port Harcourt? Is it Abuja? Is it Ilorin? Drop it in the comment section. Or which country are you watching from? USA, from Canada, from UK, from India, or from where? Indians, Kemcho, Namaste. I was in India recently, and you can see, just like the Indian Prime Minister, I like the way he dresses. So, Kemcho, I was at Gujarati precisely. Kemcho and Namaste. I'm going to see you in the next one. Odabo.